So you're planning on swapping out the cam in your LS engine, but you're still looking for a wallet-friendly alternative to those high-priced gaskets? Well, Mr. Gasket can ease your pain with our cam swap gasket kits for GM's LS engine platform. Our cam change kits include high-quality OEM-style gaskets. Our timing cover gasket and water pump gaskets feature an aluminum backing surrounded by molded silicone rubber for a leak-free install. The kit also includes timing cover seal, 8 intake manifold seals, and a pair of valve cover gaskets. We've also included 4 new lifter guides to make sure that your lifters stay in place. Remember, the lifter retainers should also be replaced whenever the tappets are removed or replaced. Mr. Gasket offers 3 specific LS cam swap kits based on your cylinder head intake port design. We have kits for the Cathedral Port LS1, LS2, and LS6 engines, a kit for the LS3, L92 port design, as well as kits for the LS7 engines. Make your next cam swap a little easier on you and your wallet with an LS cam change kit from Mr. Gasket. Thanks for watching. For more information on our full line of cam change kits and more, visit our website at mrgasket.com.